Hi, good day. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. Starting and growing a brand isn't easy. It's a journey full of risks, challenges, and constant learning. Today, we'll talk with someone who has walked the path, built something meaningful, and faced the ups and downs that comes. Introduce yourself, ma'am.
Hi, I am Kiana. I'm one of the owner of Thrift CGYPH, a thrift store located at 1221 Street, Cagayan de Oro City.
I will be asking a few questions from you regarding your business. Ma'am Kiana, can you tell us about your journey? What inspired you to enter this industry or to start your business?
So Thrift CGYPH was actually not a physical store before it started. We actually started on live selling on Facebook, posting on different platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Carousel, and it was established during the post-COVID days. And because we love thrifting or like ukay, kanang nahunawana na mo sa akong uyab nga si Bob nga mag-start po og business which is kanang ukay shop and more on windbreakers and jackets and pants.
Alright, for my second question, what were the biggest challenges you faced early on and how did you overcome them?
So the biggest challenges that we faced during the early stage of the business was to really find a trustworthy suppliers and how we will be able to market our products to different customers. Knowing we only started on live selling and the business is not well known pa during that time. So for us finding a trustworthy supplier we opt to book order sa bill and order me overseas, not just sa local we thought nga it's much cheaper to order book bills sa overseas kaysa sa diri like sa Cagayan ga-overprice gid sila if bills if per piece sa bill lang ang pilion. And then sa customers, we overcame these challenges by really doing well in kanang like ipakita gid namo kung example ang jacket if naa siya problem or like naa siya guba baka man siyang gina-flex if mag-live selling na may para pod after sa customer nga like makuha na nila ang gamit wala sila yung feedback nga negative napakita na naman namo siya sa during the online selling nga amuhang gibuhat.
For my third question, what advice would you give to someone just starting doing like this business or starting in just this field and who is dreaming of building a business like yours?
For me, my advice would be you need to really be a passionate person when you chose this type of field. Hago good siya, like it's very time consuming and energy draining kaayo if maka-ukay store ka makauna na ka nga unsaon nimo pag-dump sa uban items nga wala napalit or like na season na siya like after a month or nga na unsaon nimo siya pag market dili man tanan items nga mapili sa ukay is mabaligya nimo. So kanang for me you really need to be passionate kanang kung basa-basa lang ka like for the trend dili gid ka maka-survive sa nganing business example, kami maglaba man mi og windbreakers, kanang mga brandeds or pants or t-shirts, laban gid na mo sila una before na mo sila ibaligya sa mga tao kay aron pod kanang dili siya ingon nga baho bitaw or kanang gikan gid kay siya sa ukay nga kanang bail pa bitaw. Mato.
So for my last question, how do you balance your ikat na niya part. So how do you balance school and at the same time handling your business?
So for me, kuan lang yun, time management is really the key in handling my school, my studies, and the business. And by the help sa akong partner, we both managed to like kanang ma-handle na mo siya in terms of kanang magbantay or nga nata sa amwapod nga nami makuan pod nga magbantay sa shop. So like makuan naman siya like nami schedule nga na nga dili gid mi murag mabombarded nga eskwela kuan business nga na like nami napud mi help din sa shop, and that really helps us nga mag-manage ani and mo to siya.
Alright, thank you Ma'am Kiana for that wonderful storytelling. So that would be all, and thank you for listening.
So thank you for taking the time to join us today. So I'm thrilled to have a special guest from Thrift CGYPH here with us. So thank you for being here. So before we dive in, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi, I'm Nick.
Nick, what is your full name?
Sumalino.
Wow. So I have a question. So could you share with anyone why you keep coming back to the store and what makes this thrift shop stand out from the others that you visit?
Thrift shop can be budget friendly. Pwede mo siya mapalit sa low price. You can ask a discount.
Wow, that's nice. Kaya maka-discount yun, no? So, second question is, what inspired you to start shopping at thrift store in general?
Pwede ka makakita o kanang mga rare nga mga items. Pwede sa kanang makapili sad ka o kanang gusto nimo nga mga style.
So, that's nice, no? So, aside sa makakita yung mga branded, no? So, grabe gid ka unique and rare. So, third question is there a particular item or experience at Thrift CGYPH that stands out to you? So, last question. So, do you have any tips for people who are new to thrift shopping?
Kanang try nila tanaw sa mga issues, sa mga items, especially sa mga zipper, kay usayan zipper, mga gahi, tanaw nila ang mga sulod, kay naay mga mga items na mga lang, kanang mga issues gamay.
Yeah. So, gabi nice gid ka yung mga advice and mga tips, no? So, that's all. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. So, that's all. Thank you.